In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone a voice and manipulate it to say whatever you need to.
Louder.
We need you, jacked out L.
So I have this video clip of this guy, and he says the wrong name of a business for a client that I'm editing a video for. So he says this.
Carry and Reach Out Utah help provide.
He says Reach Out Utah, but the name of their business is Reach Out Today. So what I've done is I've exported his audio, and then I go to a site called Play.ht/voice cloning, and then I'm going to click this button that says try for free. Okay, you'll need to sign up, so I'm going to click sign up with Google. Okay, and then you ask a little questionnaire. Sweet, and then you'll see a page like this. You're going to click this button that says create clone voice, and it says instant. You need 30 seconds of audio, so I'm just going to click this button. It's in English. I'm going to upload high quality. Go to my waveform right there. Click open. I'm going to give it a name. Reach Out Today. So I need him to say to Mel. I consent and I finish. And it'll say it's cloned successfully. I'm going to click use it right there. And I called it Reach Out Today. So now Reach Out Today. And I'm going to click generate speech. Done this before in a different video where I wanted a transformer to say someone's name. And then the output will show right here. We can listen to it.
Reach Out Today.
And if it's not quite the right tone, you can click regenerate.
Reach Out Today.
That sounds better. Even fakes the background sound that I gave in the original audio.
Reach Out Today.
And you can click that download button and choose where you want to save it.
Carry and Reach Out Utah help provide. Carry and Reach Out Today help provide.